morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the activity here. Activity is to observe flotation. So aim of the activity is to observe flotation. Fine. And material needed here is a leaf, pebble. You need a pebble, a coin. You need a straw, feather, iron nail. You need a nail, iron nail, a key, and a beaker filled with water. It has a water. What you will do, you will put or place you will place an object or one object at a time into the water, and you will observe whether the object sinks or it floats. So method is that I am reading the method here. Pick one object at a time, carefully drop into the beaker filled with water. Second is the thing that you observe, it floats or sinks into the bottom of the water. Fine. Third, record your observation. So conclusion is that object that float on water of the surface. See, this activity you will do, you can perform at your home, and you can see while performing the activity what you will conclude is that the thing which basically floats on water, it will come into this bracket, like objects that float in water will write here, and the thing which will sink into the water you will write in the next line. Object that sink in water, you will write the objects which sinks into the water. So let me tell you. The leaf will show the property of flotation, so it will float on the water. Pebble will not show the property of flotation, it will sink. Coin will sink, it will not show the property of flotation, it will not remain on the surface of the water. Straw, it will show the property of flotation, it will on the surface of the liquid or the water. Feather again will show the basically property of flotation, it will remain on the surface. Nail, it will dip into the water, it will sink into the water. Key, again key, it will also sink into the water. There is one more object it is given, that is a pencil. Again pencil, basically it floats on the surface of water, but key, it will sink into the water. Nail, it will sink into the water. So the things where I have crossed, the object where I marked the cross, the object that will sink into the water, like pebble, coin, nail and key, it will sink into the water, and leaf, feather, straw and pencil, it will float on the surface of water. So these four objects will show the property of flotation. Thank you.